officially made it to the San Blas. So we're moving, we're changing anchorage, and apparently the charts on Navionics are not very up to date, so Enzo is looking out so we don't bump into something. See, there's a boat over there that passed right through, so it must be possible. It's going well. It's really clear to see all the undeep patches of water. Enzo is gonna go in the water to have a look what's waiting for us in front of us and behind us. So we have enough space to turn around with the boat without bashing onto something. And if everything works out, we will anchor here. Drop anchor. We know it's 30 meters because I reached the green sign. C'est bon, Jérémy. We officially made it to the San Blas and are visiting our first island. It feels so special to be here and to see how people live here as in ancient times. I don't know, just very simple, traditional. Our first San Blas Islands! I guess this is where the locals are living. So beautiful. I think this is one of their bedrooms. Noix coco, ça peut nous tuer. Ils sont partout. So nice to be here. We found the perfect kite spot. It's not rolly at anchor. We're sleeping perfect, and I think this is exactly the first place that meets all our expectations of what we wanted to have during a voyage as this. But we were a bit struggling. It was a lot of time at the boatyard, things to figure out. Really the actual first time we're not doing anything for maintenance. We're just enjoying. We're just truly enjoying, and that feels amazing. Catch of the day by Léa. Ah ouais. Je crois que l'eau elle est bouillante. Ah. C'est bizarre, hein? In the meantime, we are in full process of scheduling our transit moments across the Panama Canal, and for this we have to make a payment of about 4,000 euro. This is what they ask for our size of vessel, and this includes 1,000 euro of warranty we should get back at the end of the trip if everything goes according to plan. We decided not to take any agents since the application process got much easier the last year, and everything now is happening online. We also never felt like needing one during the process since also Léa is speaking fluent Spanish, and having all the information online made it really easy. Only thing we have been really struggling with is sending over our payments, which actually got lost for a couple of days, and this was really stressful. Let me show you a few videos of how that went. Situation.
Ah, par contre, ils acceptent d'autres preuves. C'est ça que je voulais.
We're all stuck figuring out this payment. Hi, let me sit down with you. We have gotten some news yesterday that finally the Panama Canal received their payments after a long time. So basically, we got a refund from Revolut, very unexpectedly, because we didn't think that would happen. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
C'est les frais. On a été recrédité de 3 975 dollars.
Alors, ce que je vais faire déjà, c'est que je vais vous mettre.
Means we go kitesurfing! And then we redid the payments, but now to the local bank in Panama and not through an intermediate bank in the US, because that was a bit too complicated. We didn't get the SWIFT number to prove we paid. So then we figured out that Revolut, since it's an online bank, also offers the option to just make local transfers to the bank here in Panama. Pêcheur, Léa, le poissonnier, comment ça s'appelle? Poissonnière.
Alors, la balise.
Going on an exploration all together for once. It's so sad, all the plastic that's stranded. Unfortunately, there is a lot of plastic coming on the beach. We often find a lot of stranded plastic on the beach. Unfortunately, plastic pollution reaches even some of the most remote locations on Earth. Half of the worldwide pollution comes from the plastic we are using in our everyday life, which gets washed off eventually by the rain and then enters the rivers to finally end up in the sea. And then with the currents and wind, it will carry the buoyant ones onto these remote beaches like in the San Blas. And the other half of all plastic pollution comes from commercial fishing as well, where the plastic waste like nets and lines gets lost at sea and eventually gets stranded on beaches like these ones. It's golden hour.
Moi, je connais pas.
Tu connais rien? Oh, il connaît pas Enzo.
Sûrement une comédie musicale.
Non.
Chanteuse.
Let's dance.
Moi, je savais pas du tout les vedettes.
Vivi va gagner. So Jeremy wants to go kite surfing. Well, we all do, but we have a little problem with waking up in the morning. So, are you ready, Jeremy? Who's gonna get out first? Leah! Let's go kite surfing. $7 for how many?
7.
7.
Il y a des langoustes chinoises. Putain, ça fait un peu de la peine quand même.
Lobsters, crab.
Oh non, oh, je peux pas. Non.
Oh. Oh wow, Léa.
Je sais pas si c'est
Minus ça.
Attention. Tu vas te faire mal. Tu vois, il fait.
Tes doigts, hein.
J'arrive pas, putain.
Attention, attention.
J'arrive pas.
Mais oui, la coquille elle est trop dure.
Bon, attends, on va faire l'autre.
Mais l'autre il est encore plus dur. Ouais, continue.
Oh là là.
On les a pris quand elles étaient vivantes ou pas?
There are literally 3 sharks below our boat at the moment. And we have to stay calm. What is this position? Holding on to your life like... Il est là.
Ta vie elle est toi.
Hola, Lea. ¿Qué estás cocinando?
Estoy cocinando waffles de maíz.
Como las arepas.
Vamos a ver qué tal nos sale.
Wow, c'est magnifique. Maïs waffles, corn waffles. Super, Léa. On va les goûter.
Ouais.
Yum yum. Okay, this is our storage of cheese, by the way. Don't mind it.
Oh non mais là.
Hola, chicos. Et voilà. Welcome our friends who arrive with the wind and waves from around the world. So we just arrived at one of the most famous islands, I guess. The official islands at Cayos Holandeses. And here you really see some more modern huts. It looks like a tiny resort, but I guess it's just the village. There's some tents over there. Oh my god, we just arrived at our first restaurant and we're gonna try some local ceviche with fresh caught fish from the day. It feels so special to be here. It's really the most beautiful restaurant I've ever visited. I'm just so grateful we can experience this. Never miss a day doing your squats. Here she goes. We're doing a squat challenge. So I just spoke with a guy who is selling his artwork. This is basically the local craft work at the San Blas, and each drawing has its meaning. It's like the animals are protecting the islands and there are like superstitions behind it. Yeah, they've been making this for ages and selling it to the people who visit. It's so cute. We got some positive feedback from the Panama Canal that we can cross normally. Maybe even in 2 days, maybe in 1 week, but it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen soon. And It makes me sad because I know I want to go to the Pacific, but this place is just so hard to say goodbye to. I've been having such an amazing time. Yeah, we still have a long journey to go. The calm after the storm. Good morning. It's currently sunrise and we're about to leave the San Blas Islands. We're gonna go straight to Linton Bay, the place that we know already, for just one night overstay. And then we continue to Shelter Bay the day after. So we don't have so much time to get there because we got our confirmation. It's on the 11th of March. Louis is opening the lazy bag because we're gonna put up 2 sails. Sure, main sail. And Jeremy mentioned also the Challenger. Let's see. C'est les derniers moments.